viewers, today we'll learn how to make Russian salad. Ingredients are cream, 3 cups sweet corn, 1 cup cabbage, half cup mayonnaise, 1 cup sugar 3 to 4 tablespoons, black pepper half teaspoon, honey 2 to 3 tablespoons, pasta half cup, 1 potato, apple 3 to 4, banana 5 to 6, sweet raisins half cup, and 1 tin of fruit cocktail. Now you'll see the recipe. First of all, boil potatoes, pastas and sweet corn and let them cool. Cut the fruits into round and square shapes. Now take a bowl, put 3 cups of cream, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon black pepper, 3 tablespoons of honey. Mix all of them gently and refrigerate them. It's almost ready now. Take a bigger bowl and put cooled pasta, potatoes and sweet corn and add washed raisins and fruit cocktail too. Now add the refrigerated cream mixture and mix all of them. Cut the cabbage linearly. Add it also. Mix all of them and refrigerate for an hour. Chicken salad is now ready to serve. Goodbye, take care and watch your channel for new recipes.